Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve's today. I got me a new toy here. Well, it's a tank really. Nice RecTeq smoker called the Deck Boss 800. It's got 800 square inches of cooking space and the temperature range is 180 to 700 degrees. And it's a pellet smoker. And here's a little quick look at it right here. I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the tidbits of it and show you what it has. And I've already taken the liberty to hook it up to Wi-Fi, and that took all of 2 minutes maybe. Really went smooth, no glitches or problems whatsoever. Really worked good. And I'll go ahead and show you this, and then I need to do the burn-in and my first cook, and then I'll know how it regulates the temperature, how close it stays to set temperature. So let's go ahead and dig into this guy. Okay, let's go ahead and check out this RecTeq Deck Boss 800. At first glance, it's a pretty sight. It's looking good. Now I've had a couple other RecTeqs, the 700 Bull and BullsEye 380. And the 700 had a smokestack coming out the side, and this new Deck Boss does not. It's vented out the back here. There's several vents back here on the back where the smoke will escape. And right here's the hopper and the temperature controller. But the hopper, this guy will hold, it's got a nice little latch here. This baby will hold 30 pounds of pellets. And speaking of pellets, I use nothing but Bear Mountain pellets. I've never had any problems with them, and they have a good flavor, and they make plenty of different flavors. Now this controller is a PID Wi-Fi controller, so you can monitor everything on your phone. And the temperature on this baby ranges from 180 to 700 degrees. Nice heavy lid. Here's the inside of it. We got 2 shelves, 800 square inches of cooking area, and these shelves slide, which really makes it nice. Got little channels on each side. The bottom one does too. Slide it out, slide it in, whatever works. And there is an optional shelf for the front of this that you can pick up if you want. But I'm not sure I'm going to need one or not. I'm going to use this top of this hopper bin here for a shelf. And down below here, we got a nice shelf, storage. And under here is the grease bucket. Got nice caster wheels on it, lockable. Power cord back here in the back. And a little bit lower, you see those 2 hooks there? That's where you can put your upper shelf. If you want to take that out, cook something, just store it back here on those 2 hooks. So we're going to go ahead and take the guts out here and look inside. Okay, let's go ahead and take this upper rack out. And this is nice, heavy stainless steel. Slide this bottom grate out. Again, nice heavy stainless steel. And what we have here is the deflector plate, and it also catches the grease. And this deflector plate is sloped downward, so everything should drain down into that grease bucket down below. So we'll go ahead and take this guy out. Again, stainless steel, all heavy stuff. And I don't know whether you can see it or not, but this is the cover to the fire pot. We'll go ahead and lift that off. That's nice and heavy. And after you get that cover lifted off of that fire pot, this is the actual fire pot. The pellets will come down into here, and there's an igniter right down in there. We'll ignite the pellets, and in this hole is the auger. That auger will take the pellets into the fire pot and keep this fire going and keep the temperature regulated. All stainless steel in here. It's a quality build, nice grill. Okay, we got it powered up, and we got our Bear Mountain gourmet blend pellets in the hopper here, and we're going to get this guy closed up and do our burn in. Okay, here's our controller. As you can see, the red light indicates that we're hooked to Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and power this guy up. We're going to set it on 400. And it's showing the actual temperature of 100 right now. We're in Florida, so it's probably in the 90s, so the inside of that grill is already 100. So we're going to see how long it takes to climb up to 400 and see how well it maintains that temperature. They put a handful of pellets in the fire pot because it's going to take that auger a little while to get pellets into the fire pot. So on the initial startup, you need to put a few pellets in the fire pot to get it ignited. So let's kick back here and see what it does. Okay, I just cranked that baby up about 5 minutes ago, and there's what she's looking like. We're not up to 400 yet, but we're getting a lot of smoke, so it's still climbing. Okay, we just finished that burn in. We let it go at 400 for about an hour, and it took about half hour to get up to temperature at 400 degrees. And I expect it'll heat up a lot quicker next time I fire it up. There wasn't any pellets in the auger this time around, and you know, next time there's going to be pellets in the auger. It's going to be ready to rock and roll for the next cook. So I expect it'll take maybe 15-20 minutes to heat up, but we'll find out on our first cook, which won't be too far off. But temperature regulation, I did notice a variation of maybe 5 degrees or so, which is pretty darn good. Now after you're done cooking or done with the grill, you don't want to just unplug it. You want to hit the power button, power off, and that way it'll run through its cycle, get that pot all cleaned out and burn out, and get that auger ready for your next cook. Guys, it's a good one. It's a good one. I've had a lot of grills, but I'm coming back to the pellet grill and the RecTeq. Like I said, I had the 700 Bull and the 380 BullsEye, and I loved those, but I decided to go in a different direction and sold those, and now I'm back to the RecTeq pellet grill. I love them. Guys, there's a lot of grills out there on the market, a lot of smokers out there in the market, but I've never used the RecTeq customer service. There's never been a need to, but I've seen a lot of posts where customer service is second to none. And you can't say that about all the grill manufacturers out there. You're lucky if you get a hold of somebody in most cases. But I hear RecTeq is top notch. So it's a good grill. It's built like a tank. And the ones I've had in the past have really cooked great and held their temperature. And we're going to check this out and find out how that works too. So be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and share this video. We're going to be doing a lot of cooks on this, a lot of smoking, a lot of grilling. So you want to be sure to catch those. Thanks for watching.